Okay, y'all, it's been a long time since I posted anything on YouTube. I figured this would be a good opportunity to make a YouTube short. This is my 2007 Dodge Caliber. Um, Earlier in the year, the car got hit while I was at work in the parking lot, did some damage, and the damage that we have just repaired is it tore off my driver's side view mirror. Just completely broke it off the door. So, this is a video. I haven't found anything on YouTube already talking about replacing these mirrors. It's not all that difficult, so I figured why not I'll make a YouTube short. So, in the driver's seat, the first thing you're going to see is this cover and this piece here. These just pop on and off. There's no fasteners, no hardware. It just uses these little clips to hold it in place. So remove this one first, and then remove the bottom one. Like I said, just clips on, no big deal. So now what you can see, there's a bolt here, and then way down here, and I don't know if I can get the camera in there to see that, but there is a bolt. There's a bolt down here, or it's a nut. This is a nut on a stud. There's a nut on a stud here, and then you'd think these are the only two, but there's not. We sneak over here, right there, pull that trim back a little. There is another nut on a stud, kind of hidden behind this weather trim. So those are 3 nuts that hold it in. The tools I used is a 5/16 socket on a 1/4 inch by 3 inch extension and just a cheap ratchet driver. The only other thing you've got to remove this this mirror is it is powered. So there is, let me see if I can fish it out here one-handed. There we go. There's this electric outlet here, not electric outlet, electric plug. This is what powers your power menu or power mirror. Boy, I'm having a hard time talking today. Off of this little piece here. So you'll have to disconnect that, and that's actually pretty simple. Just press down on this little tongue and pull the plug apart. So 5/16 nut on a stud here, another one tucked up in here, and then the third and final one back here behind the weather strip. And then the entire mirror assembly will come loose. The only hard part I had during this entire process, because the mirror had been smashed off, what was left on the outside of the door was amount to nothing more than just plastic scrap. It wanted to spin as I was loosening the last bolt, the one hidden by the strip. But that's it. Take everything loose, pull the entire unit off, and you can do all of it with a 5/16 socket with a 3 inch long 1/4 inch drive extension and a ratchet driver. That's all you need. And the entire project took something in the neighborhood of 5 minutes once I figured out where the bolts were. So that's a quick video, just something that I wanted to talk about. I may be posting an additional video soon about additional repairs needs of the car, because the driver's side front fender on this car is thrashed. Just went to a salvage today and got another one. So it's going to be a little bit of a job to replace that fender. As for the damage to the door, I'm just going to knock the rust off with a Brillo pad and touch it up with touch-up paint. I'm not overly concerned. But there it is. And of course these plastic covers, they snap on and off. There's really nothing to them, actually. The big one that goes over the mirror backing here has this foam insulation. I don't know if this is supposed to be some kind of sound deadening or what, but it's falling off on my car, so I'm not going to worry about that. But simple, easy job. 3 nuts and an electrical plug, and you're done.